Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, I'll show you how to make all shapes same size in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. Draw the shapes, insert menu, shapes and click a shapes and draw the shapes. Select the shapes, click the one and press the Ctrl button from keyboard for selecting next shape, or select a shape and go to home menu and click the select and selection pane and select the one by one. Press the Ctrl button from keyboard and click mouse point and go to shape format and add the shape height and width. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comments and share. Thanks for watching.